Giraffe advertises a $0.20 minimum cash out, while Blackout Bingo can pay real cash through competitive bingo matches, so the faster option depends on whether you mean reaching your first withdrawal or winning money from a single game. By the end, you'll know which app has the lower cash out barrier, how each one generates rewards, and which option makes more sense if getting paid quickly is your priority. Giraffe uses a straightforward play and earn system. You download featured mobile games, earn gems from playtime and milestones, and exchange those gems for PayPal cash or gift cards. The company says the minimum PayPal cash out is $0.20, and most players reach their first payout within a few gaming sessions. Giraffe also says most PayPal payouts are processed within a few hours. That gives it a major advantage for beginners who care about reaching a small withdrawal quickly rather than competing for a larger prize. Blackout Bingo works differently. The skills version is a skill-based multiplayer bingo game where you can play free matches or enter cash matches against other players. The official game description says, matches can take about 2 minutes, and that faster, more accurate play can improve your score. The key difference is that Blackout Bingo doesn't simply pay you for spending time inside the app. You generally need to compete successfully in cash matches or tournaments to generate withdrawable winnings. That makes the earning process less predictable than Giraffe. You could complete several Giraffe gaming sessions and work toward its $0.20 minimum without needing to beat another player. With Blackout Bingo, your cash results depend on your performance in competitive matches and whether cash competitions are available in your location. There is also a cost difference to consider. Blackout Bingo offers free matches for practice, but cash matches can require an entry fee. Giraffe describes itself as free to use, with no deposits, subscriptions, or hidden fees. So, which pays faster? If your goal is simply to reach a small cash out as quickly as possible, Giraffe has the clearer path because its advertised minimum is only $0.20, and its official site says many players reach that threshold within their first few gaming sessions. If your goal is to win cash directly from competitive gameplay, Blackout Bingo is the more relevant option, but your results depend on winning matches rather than accumulating rewards from ordinary playtime. The practical move is to use Giraffe when you want a low withdrawal threshold and Blackout Bingo when you specifically enjoy competitive bingo. Check the current cash match availability and withdrawal rules before depositing or entering paid competitions. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 earning app comparisons.